Furthermore, Zenith Sangma stated that there is a major issue within the internal functions of the MeECL, of which are yet to be rectified.
I submitted, although I did not get a reply from the government. In Saubhagya scheme, in the tendering process, the minister replied during question hour, although it was not enough because it was already 11 o'clock by then. Only few replies could be given by the minister in charge, by the government. So, in Saubhagya scheme, in the implementation of Saubhagya scheme, for the infrastructure, 2 companies have been awarded with the work. And for the small work, service connection work, 100 local contractors have been awarded with the work. And very interestingly, when the infrastructural component of work has been awarded to 2 big companies from the outside the state of Meghalaya, they have awarded it at 51% above the schedule of rate. And for 100 local contractors, the work was awarded as at per the schedule of rate. Just imagine. The schedule of rate is same of the same year for all the components of the work. But then the question arises, when the local contractors up to the number of 100 which they selected could be given at per schedule of rates, why then the infrastructural component of work should be given at 51% above the schedule of rate? Thereby, when 51% has been increased above the estimated cost, it was around 180 crores extra money being required for the payment. Just imagine. In Ganal Power Project, 151 crores. Under Saubhagya scheme, another 180 crores. Here again, ADB funded smart meter supply, another 36 crores. And in Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Jyoti Yojana, another 4.5 crores. Small or big, they are not sparing.